see the important thing Buhari did at his son's wedding we should take note of. A couple of days ago, the city of Bichi, Kano State, was agog with the marriage ceremony of President Muhammadu Buhari's son, Yusuf Buhari, and his wife, Zara Ado Bayero. It is also worthy to note that a lot of top Nigerian politicians and signatories who cut across religious, ethnic, and political borders were all in attendance at the colorful ceremony. Bearing in mind the positions of differing political geologies of the dignitaries that attended the wedding, one thing that President Muhammadu Buhari did that we all should take note of and possibly learn from is the fact that President Muhammadu Buhari never allowed his political belief, party affiliations, and criticisms he has endured while as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to affect his relationship with his guests. For instance, we saw top politicians from the People's Democratic Party (PDP), such as the former president of Nigeria, person of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and also former vice president of Nigeria and 2019 PDP presidential flag bearer Alhaji Abubakar Atiku, who are all major opposition party members of President Muhammadu Buhari All Progressive Congress (APC), graced this wedding with their presence and were all warmly welcomed by President Muhammadu Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari exchanging greetings with Goodluck Jonathan. See photos below. President Muhammadu Buhari with Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. See photo also below. This goes a long way to confirm the age-long principle that says in politics there is no permanent friend nor a permanent enemy. Rather, what we have is a permanent interest. President Muhammadu Buhari's warm welcome and hand of friendship to his guests at the wedding, some of whom in the game of politics have often antagonized him, shows that Buhari understands the principle of politics without bitterness. This is also a message to the younger generation to desist from being tempted to fight and attack each other over political differences or decide to make internal enemies with oppositions, thereby creating an unhealthy political systems in the process. Wow. This is it. You can imagine. Can you imagine? Look at those that came. Look at those that attended the wedding ceremony. You can imagine Buhari now. He's inviting people and they came. But when one of his cabal's daughter, when she was having a wedding, do you know that Buhari never attended? He never attended. That was when he said he was going for his medical checkup. When one of your head is getting daughter is getting married, as a president, as a leader, is able to show a good example. You're not even showing a good example. Instead of showing good example, you're showing bad example. Now people are coming to yours. They're not coming to yours. They are. What should we call that? A bad government. Even if you're busy, you should find time. Even if you're going to go late on that day, find time. You can imagine you didn't go at all. It's a taboo. It's not fair. It's not fair. Imagine. They said it's their son's wedding. Where is President Muhammadu Buhari's wife, Aisha Buhari? He's not in the picture, but said he is the one celebrating, is the son that is celebrating the wedding. You can imagine. Wow. Anyways, that is all they do. When it comes to things like this, they are always representing. They are always coming out to represent and to say what they feel and what they think about it. The wedding, or what happened, celebration, whenever they're having any celebration. But when it comes to the things in the country, they don't say anything, they keep mute. Let them be suffering, let the citizens be suffering, because that is their plan to wipe off Nigeria totally from its country, or from its home. You can imagine. All because of what? All because of hatred. Can you imagine that? So viewers, what is your take on this? You've heard it all. Your comment concerning this news will be very much appreciated. I would love you to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button for more updates. Thank you.